Do you remember the old Nokia? That iron-like reliability, that toughness, that battery that lasted for months and never let you down. If you think the Nokia era is over, then prepare yourself for a huge jolt. Because Nokia isn't returning quietly, it's coming back with a bang. Right now, only one name is echoing throughout the entire tech world, with leaks that have created an absolute frenzy. Introducing the Nokia Arrow 2026 5G. This isn't just a phone, it's the fusion of Nokia's legacy and its future. According to the leaks, Nokia is set to put a 200-megapixel DSLR level camera and an enormous 8500 mAh battery into its powerhouse smartphone. These aren't just leaks, these are superstar features. So, if you want to get your hands on this phenomenal smartphone, make sure you watch this video until the very end. Because today, we're diving deep into its full leaked features, the price, and the launch date. Let's get started. Features of the Nokia Arrow 2026 5G. The display. Nokia has made absolutely no compromises here. You're getting a massive 6.86-inch QHD plus OLED display, and get this, it boasts an incredible 4K resolution. Can you even imagine how crisp your videos will look? But that's not all. The 144Hz super smooth refresh rate means that in gaming, you will zoom ahead with lightning fast speed. And for protection, Gorilla Glass 8, forget the tension of accidental drops. Plus, it will also include an in-display fingerprint sensor. The DSLR killer camera setup. Now, let's talk about the feature that has shaken the internet, the 200-megapixel DSLR primary camera. It comes with OIS support. That means you can shoot professional-level, steady videos even while running. On top of that, you get two more sensors, a 32-megapixel and a 5-megapixel lens. But wait, selfie lovers, we have great news for you too, a 50-megapixel front camera. Every one of your selfies will be instant Instagram ready. Performance powerhouse. To handle this much power, Nokia is putting in the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This is not just a processor, it's a performance monster. Whether you're playing demanding games, editing 4K videos, or running 50 apps simultaneously, this phone will not slow down. And it could launch directly with Android 16. That means you'll be at the forefront of the technology race. Battery backup. Now, let's discuss the power. It features a gigantic 8500 mAh battery. This is for everyone who is tired of carrying a charger everywhere. And when it comes time to charge, the 90-watt ultra-fast charging will get the job done in minutes. That means less time charging and more time using your phone. Price and launch date. Finally, the question you've been eagerly waiting for. According to the leaks, its price could be around $500 to $600. This many features at that price. This will set the market on fire. And the launch date, this phone could hit the market by the middle of next year. Get ready. So friends, this is the Nokia Arrow 2026 5G. Will you buy this phone, or will you wait for another brand? Tell us your opinion immediately in the comment box below.